Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we got some stuff. So I've rescued some junk, like this junk, got another junk, and part of a junk. But good news, this junk has some other junk that we need. So let's pop this apart. Why are you not a 13? Oh, because I got a 12. So you know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna vacuum this, clean it up good, and in it goes. Perfect, that saves us recovering the other one. Now we just have to figure out what we want to do with the headliner. Perfect, I think that's ready to go in the car now. And I think that is exactly what we're gonna do. That should work. Bam! Rear deck installed. Take a look. You can't see anything because it's all black. Let me put a light on. That looks better. Shows you how faded the seats are. Alright, now that we got the rear deck in, I guess we should prep this door to have the door card put back on. Definitely need that where we're going. We'll pop this on here. We'll stick that right here. Now this should, boom, go right up into place. Now obviously we still need to put the perimeter screws in to really hold this on properly, but as far as actually attaching it goes, we're good. And that's all set. I guess at this point we can also drop our speakers back in. Mk3 speakers have the grills built into the housing. So to remove them, there's a tab here and there's a tab here. You need to bend up and then you can pop the grill off without damaging it. Allow me to demonstrate. Once you have those loose, what you'll want to do is take a pick tool with 90 on it, very carefully start working this out of here. You don't want to pull hard or pry too much because it will come. You just have to carefully go around the grill and encourage it to do so. And because it was damaged on this car, we're going to use these good screens off of a parts car because the speaker's beat anyways. Magnet fell off. We can take our grillless speaker, line the tabs up where they go, which is right there and right here, and just carefully work this in. I said carefully work this in, and then again just that little tab once you got it in. So now we got Kenwoods in here, we got good speakers. I'll just go ahead and whoop, make sure this grill's pressed in all the way, put the tab down that retains it. Same thing over here, boom boom. Well, bam, one speaker ready to go back in, like nothing ever happened. We'll take a look under here. We have our speakers screwed in. We've got them wired up again. That's all good. I don't know if this Bose amp actually still works, but that's okay. Let's see how it looks on the inside real fast. Looks factory fresh, even with the Kenwoods in it. With the rear deck installed, the rear speakers installed and wired back up, one rear door card put back, looking pretty spiffy. That'll do it for today. I'm going to go take door cards out of my parts car that showed up today, and we will get prepared to clean them up and put those in. And hopefully we'll have a pretty much complete interior with the exception of the headliner, which obviously we still have to figure out what we're doing with. But with the rear deck sorted, that's one less thing to think about, so that's good. Until next time, guys, if your project doesn't have bonus parts, it might not actually be a project, so get out there, take your stuff apart, put it back together with less pieces than it started with, make it yours. Catch you in the next one. Bloop.